Hi, I'm Maureen Calamia, and I am a dreamer. I hope you join me in this journey to learn more about your dreams. They have helped me go from a career in corporate marketing to feng shui and beyond. About 20 years ago, I actually turned my attention to my dream world in a more formal way. And when I did, that world literally opened up, opening up its secrets and messages to me that have helped me over the last 20 years shape my journey, not just in my spiritual path, but also my career and my relationships and literally everything in between. In this workshop, I will give you information on the different types of dreams and what types of dreams you really need to focus on, because not all dreams are created equal. I'll also give you some juicy tips that will help start or deepen your current dreaming practice. You'll also see the amazing magic between your powerful dream symbols and your waking life synchronicities. Pretty cool, right? And also we'll cut through all the layers of dreams so you can really get to the heart of its message. I truly hope that this workshop will inspire you and really create a dynamic, personal, spiritual dreaming practice for yourself. So to register, just sign up below and you'll get immediate access to a 30-minute video, pre-recorded video, and a PDF which highlights everything that I just said above and more. And you'll also get a Zoom link to a live Q&A session that we'll be doing together. So I really look forward to seeing you. And, well, here's to dreams.